In this question we are given that x is an integer which is greater than 0. We have to find the remainder when x is divided by 4. Now since there is not much that we can infer from the question, we move on to step 2 and analyze the statement 1. The statement 1 tells us that the remainder is 3 when x plus 1 is divided by 4. So on dividing x plus 1 by 4, remainder turns out to be 3. Then the possible values of x plus 1 is equal to 3, 7, 11, 15 and so on. Then we can find out the possible values of x, which will be equal to 2, 6, 10, 14 and so on. In each of these cases, when we divide x by 4, the remainder will be equal to 2. And even though we are getting multiple answers of x, we can still conclude that we can answer the question with a definite yes, because all the possible values of x when divided by 4 give the same remainder. So the statement 1 is sufficient, and out of the given options, we eliminate B, C and E. We now check the sufficiency of statement 2. The statement 2 tells us that the remainder when 2x is divided by 4 is equal to 0. Now, writing down all the possible values of 2x, just like we did in statement 1, it can be 4, 8, 12, 16 and so on. Then this implies that the possible values of x can be equal to 2, 4, 6 and so on. Now, this does not give us a unique answer, because when we have the numbers 2 and 6 and so on, when 2 is divided by 4, the remainder equals 2, and when 6 is divided by 4, the remainder equals 2. But for the numbers 4 and 8, when we divide these by 4, the remainder equals 0. Now we are getting two values of the remainder on dividing by 4. So statement 2 is not sufficient, and the correct answer is option A.